Hi everyone, my name is Anuja and I am an instructor at Magic Touch. Instructor, but here we call ourselves Didis, so we call ourselves as Anuja Didi, Vaishali Didi, etc. Magic Touch is a value based education where we teach children through lives of different people and different stories. We teach them how good morals are brought about in everyone. And E-Cube is something that we've designed specially for schools, where E-Cube is educate, elevate, and entertain. And in this program, the same way we try to instill different values in all the children, good values, good morals through stories, dramas, songs, dances, etc. And for the achievements, we've started Magic Touch in the year 2004 with only 3 centers, and now in 2015 we're almost 200 centers globally. And E-Cube for schools, we have started the program with a lot of schools. To name a few is Jamnabai and Green Lawns in Bombay, in a few schools in Sydney, London, etc. So hoping to see all of y'all instilling good values in our children through us. Thank you.
I'm Vaishali Shah, mother of Aryan and Anaya Shah. And my children have been coming to Magic Touch classes since the time it has started. And beginning, of course, they were small, but right now I can see how the values which they have learned throughout the years have actually come, and in different situations in their life, when all of a sudden you see this is different than what they would actually react. And that time you would start thinking, yes, this is all what Magic Touch has slowly inculcated these values into them. And it's beautiful the way how they have been growing up and how these values are making them into such beautiful and loving and caring children. And I'm really happy with Magic Touch, that I'm so pleased that something like this has come up, and where I have got a chance where I can keep my children and and see them grow out to be such beautiful individuals. Like how Magic Touch is, that way it's the same as EQ. And E-Cube is also where, it's a chance where our children will be taught the values which is going to help them future. Not maybe you will not see, the straight away the change right now, but these values are going into them and is nurturing them to become such beautiful children when they'll be growing up in the coming years. Thank you.